Thank you for purchasing a DD Audio Recone kit. The Recone kit will come with a voice coil assembly, a cone, string, paper dust cap, mylar sheets, craft sticks, cotton swabs, zip ties, and spider spacer rings on select models. Before installing the RPK, all glue and debris must be removed from the spider and surround landings. Also, ensure that the voice coil gap in the motor is free of debris. After the frame has been thoroughly cleaned and scuffed and the motor has been inspected, proceed to step 1. Insert the appropriate combination of mylar sheets into the voice coil and test fit the voice coil assembly onto the pull piece. When shimmed correctly, the coil will not have the ability to move from side to side. Once the coil assembly is shimmed correctly, remove the assembly and proceed to step 2. Using isopropyl alcohol, clean the spider landing area of the frame where the voice coil assembly will be glued. Apply a thin bead of glue to the spider landing and insert the previously shimmed voice coil assembly into the motor frame assembly. Make sure the spider is touching the frame all the way around. Let the glue soak for 30 seconds and then apply accelerator to both sides of the spider landing. Apply glue to the outside edge of the spider where it meets the frame to form a backfill. The glue should fill in any gap and cover at least the outer 1/8 inch of the spider. Let the glue soak for 30 seconds, then apply the accelerator. On select models, appropriately secure the direct connect leads to the frame. Test fit the cone over the voice coil assembly, ensuring the silver marks on the cone and voice coil are lined up. Verify the spider is sitting in a level position and isn't flexing up or down in the frame. The surround should be able to touch the frame landing without having to be forced downward. Clean the surround landing with isopropyl alcohol. Apply a thin layer of glue to the surround landing, covering the area where the surround will sit. Drop the cone into place and go completely around the surround landing, using your fingertips to press the surround onto the frame. After this is done, work your way around the surround, gently applying accelerator. As you do this, ensure the surround is completely attached to the frame by gently pressing inward on the outside of the surround. Apply a small amount of glue to any spots that are not glued down and hold until attached. On the underside of the cone, lightly apply accelerator to the surround where it meets the frame, and to the area where the cone meets the coil. Ensure the spider is still sitting in its natural level resting position. On the top side of the cone, apply a layer of glue to the innermost inch of the cone surface and about a ½ inch up the voice coil. Inspect the underside of the cone where it meets the coil to ensure glue is not running down. If any glue is running down, simply wipe it off and do not allow it to drip onto the spider. Apply accelerator to the tips of the string. Place one end of the string in the glue where the cone and coil meet. Wrap the string around the coil, ensuring it is touching both the coil and the cone. A craft stick can be used to lightly press the string into place. Apply a thin coat of glue over the string. Allow the glue to soak for 30 seconds, then lightly apply accelerator. Allow the glue to cure until it reaches room temperature. During this time, the gasket can be installed onto the frame. Wait around 30 minutes to allow the glue time to fully cure. Pull out the mylar shims and then power test the newly repaired woofer. If the woofer moves freely without any noticeable issues, proceed to step 13. Apply a thin layer of glue to the area in which the dust cap will sit, and install the dust cap. Use a small padded weight or lightly press on the dust cap to ensure it is touching the cone all the way around. Lightly apply accelerator. If necessary, apply a backfill to the dust cap and then lightly apply some more accelerator. Allow 30 seconds for the glue to dry. Now, install and enjoy.